Chapter 2 Polynomials. Exercise 2.1. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression represented Px of the form a0 a1x a2x square plus dash 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 an xn is called the polynomial of degree n. जो हाईएस्ट पावर होती है, हाईएस्ट पावर is called degree of polynomial. जो डिग्री होती है, it is a whole number. whole number होता है रेशनल नंबर नहीं, इंटीजर नेगेटिव नंबर्स नहीं, और यू कैन से दैट पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. पॉजिटिव numbers. Now, where a0, a1, a2 dash 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 ये क्या होते हैं? a0, a1, a2, an are the real numbers. a0, a1, a2 dash 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 an are the real numbers. और इसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट. और ये an जो है लास्ट, ये जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ये जीरो हो गया तो वो डिग्री एन में इक्वेशन नहीं आएगी. एंड इट इज वन वेरिएबल इन एक्स. ये पूरी किस में है? एक्स में है. सो इट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ व्हाट इज मोनोमियल? of course monomial, all of you know that the term monomial. If it is one term, अगर एक टर्म होती है तो वो क्या कहलाता है? मोनोमियल. जैसे 2x, it is a monomial. What is binomial? two term जो दो टर्म है वो बाइनोमियल कहलाएगा. 2x plus 2. वेरिएबल के साथ में जो होता है, दिस इज वेरिएबल्स. इसके साथ में क्या है? a1, a2, an. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल. कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल. अब ऐसे अपने कोर्स में ट्राइनोमियल, 3 टर्म्स, 2x square plus 4x plus 5 like this. ये ट्राइनोमियल हैविंग 3 टर्म्स. ये सब क्या है? वन वेरिएबल में. ये भी हो सकता है 2x plus 3y plus 3z. इट इज ट्राइनोमियल बट नॉट इन वन वेरिएबल. ट्राइनोमियल तो है, 3 टर्म्स है, बट 3 वेरिएबल्स आर देयर, x, y, z. In our course we studied about one variable. Okay. Now what is linear polynomial? Now what is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial क्या होता है? जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो? 1 हो. डिग्री 1. Like that. ax plus b. That is called linear polynomial. जिसकी डिग्री 2 हो, that is quadratic polynomial. Degree 2, what is quadratic? Degree 2. And what is cubic? Degree 3. And what is cubic polynomial? Degree 3. So what we studied till now? Polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, cubic polynomial, quadratic, linear polynomial. Question number first. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Stated. Which of the following are polynomial? Which of the following are polynomial in one variable? You have to find out in one variable. First is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. See this equation. It is quadratic power 2. It is quadratic power 2 and see here x and constant. You can say that it is the one variable polynomial, one variable. Now, question second, y square plus root 2. It is also a polynomial. It is also a polynomial, but in the variable y. Only one variable you see here and degree 2. So it is one variable or not? Yes. Root 2 is constant. Its power is 1 by 2, but it is not the power of variable. So it is a polynomial in one variable. One variable polynomial. Now, can you tell me about the third part? 3 root 2 plus t root 2. It is polynomial or not? See here, root 2 को we write 2 to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Here, what is the variable? Variable is t, one variable, but the degree जो है, degree is not whole number. Degree is not whole number. Degree is not whole number. So it is not a polynomial. ये polynomial नहीं है. So it is not a polynomial. Now one more part. You see here x to the power 10 plus y to the power 3 plus t to the power 50. It is polynomial or not? It is polynomial, but the question is, it is in one variable or not? So answer is, it is not a polynomial in one variable because here are 3 variables. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Question 2. Write the coefficient of, you have to write the coefficients of x square. You have to write the coefficient of x square. First part, 2 plus x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square? X square के साथ में कौन सा real number है या constant है? You have to write. If nothing is there, it means 1 is there. So what is the coefficient of x square? Is 1. Now see here, second part, 2 minus x square plus x. What is the coefficient of x square? X square के साथ में क्या minus, but outside minus nothing is there. So you have to make, उसको क्या मानेंगे? Coefficient of x square is -1. Third part, pi है upon 2x square plus 1. Now see here, what is the coefficient of x square? Is pi by 2. Fourth part, root 2 x minus 1. In this equation you have seen that there is no value of x square है ही नहीं इसमें. So what is the coefficient of x square? Is 0. क्या होएगा? 0. Now question third, give one example of binomial of degree जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 35 हो. तो अपन लिख सकते हैं कुछ भी y to the power या 3y to the power 35. Binomial two terms are there, you can write 5. This is many examples you write. And of a monomial of degree 100. दूसरा क्या पूछ रहा है? मोनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 100. तो किसी भी वेरिएबल पे आप डिग्री 100 लगा दीजिए. These are the examples of monomial of degree 100. Now write the in question 4. In question, now we will start question 4. In question 4, it is very easy. You have to write the degree. Write the degree of the polynomial. First part, 5x cube plus x square plus 7x. What is degree? जो हाईएस्ट पावर होगी वो क्या कहलाएगी डिग्री. सो इन दिस degree is 3. Highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Second, now you see this second part, 4 minus y square. What is the degree? Highest power? Degree is 2. Now see here, fourth part. Only 3. It is a constant polynomial. कुछ नहीं है. तो डिग्री क्या होगी? इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. x to the power 0, y to the power 0. It means degree is जो डिग्री है वो क्या है? 0. Right now, classify question 5th. You have to classify the linear, quadratic and cubic. You have to classify the linear, quadratic and cubic. First part देखिए क्या है? x square plus x. See जो हाईएस्ट पावर है वो इक्वेशन बताएगी कि डिग्री क्या है उसकी. डिग्री जो है वो बताएगा लीनियर है, क्वाड्रेटिक है. सबसे पहले डिग्री चेक करेंगे. क्या है इसकी डिग्री हाईएस्ट? 2. इसकी डिग्री क्या है? 2. हाईएस्ट पावर कितनी है? 2. तो डिग्री कितनी हो गई? 2. तो डिग्री भी 2 हो गई. तो इट इज क्या है? क्वाड्रेटिक. नाउ सी अनदर वन, फोर्थ वन. 1 plus x. व्हाट इज हाईएस्ट पावर? 1. सो एक टर्म से हो गई. जब 1 होती है पावर तो क्या कहलाती है? लीनियर. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. Linear polynomial.